Hey guys, it's Brian. I'm going to show you what to do if you have a low water level in the toilet. So, as we can see here, if you look in the toilet here, the water level it's lower than normal. You can also use this if it's higher than normal as well, but usually it's up, around here or so. And after we flush it, it still comes back to this level. So what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and close that there. We're going to take off the lid. And basically what you need though is just a screwdriver. And what happens is water, when you flush the toilet, it goes through this hose here, this one right here, and that's what brings the water down to the actual toilet bowl here. So, and you want to make sure that's snugly on there, because if that's actually off, then you're going to have super low volumes as well. So that's another thing to look for. But what we're doing here is we're just going to go ahead and turn this clockwise. Go ahead and just do this a few turns, and you'll kind of just want to see when you flush, do trial and error with it here. So we'll just turn this clockwise. And we'll do a few turns here. Now, if you were going to want to do it the other way, you would turn it the other way, counterclockwise, to lower the volume in the toilet. We've gone ahead and turned it clockwise. We'll go ahead and give it a flush. And what this does is it'll change the stop point so more water will go into the bowl of the toilet here. So that's what you're doing with this. So it'll go ahead and fill up. Okay, that looks good. We'll put the lid back on here. Make sure that's all nice and tight. And let's check it out. All right, so that's definitely a lot better. Before it was down, just right down here. So that's an improvement, I'd say. You can adjust it if you need to back there. If you do find value in this video, go ahead and below this video, press the thanks button, and you can give any kind of donation in proportion to value you found with this video, or just leave a like. Thanks so much, guys. Check out this next video.